Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I'll hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
So I'm just at a house from some friends of mine. We're gonna check out the lake. You wanna join? Huh? Na come. We're gonna go for a bath in the lake here, which is over there, and check out for a little swim. You wanna swim? Yeah. Okay. The dog is joining me. So I'll open it, but you have to stay by my side, okay? All right. Okay, come on. Here.
Cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got safe though. Cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece. But it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh. And a plastic crown for my halo. But still a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top.
Wow, this house is so incredibly beautiful, situated in between the fields. There's a lake over there.
Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, don't be afraid.
So I'm just gonna quickly show you the place that I'm at here, at my friend's house that they built, and even the entrance is enchanting. And then you come into the hallway. You have the really high 7-meter ceilings, of course a 7, and then there's a mirror with a door which goes to the garage where you can build stuff. And what I really like is the gym, high ceilings again, and a red light device for winter, some dumbbells, mirrored wall. Wow. And here we come to the main living area. The stove is heating up the whole place in winter. And then the kitchen is open to the living room. Really nice with all the details and the wood and the black and white complementing each other. What a space.
In the morning, it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars.